The all-new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado has finally made its world premiere. Unveiled in the US is simply the Land Cruiser. It's the first all-new Prado in 14 years, making this a very special occasion indeed. It's a dramatic redesign too, and the same goes for under the skin. The new 250 series has dramatically improved off-road performance. As a reliable and practical choice for customers, it has improved ease of handling and comfort for on-road driving as well. The 250 series inherits the Land Cruiser's mission to support the lives and livelihoods of people everywhere, while pursuing the reliability, durability and off-road performance that is the Land Cruiser's DNA. In line with Toyota's carbon neutrality initiative, which takes a diverse, multi-track approach, Toyota is also coming up with a variety of powertrains, including the first hybrid system for the Land Cruiser. This achieves the powerful driving performance and environmental performance worthy of a Land Cruiser.